So David, how have you been?
I'm great, Bruce.
Yeah, great. You know, we've really been excited about EMSCULPT NEO. We've just started using that in our practice recently, and it's really taken off. What's been your experience?
So it's really changing how we're doing non-invasive body contouring. Our practices have been somewhat similar over the years. We've done liposuction. We've used all kinds of radiofrequency devices to melt fat. And then we've had EMSCULPT, which of course tighten muscle. But not until EMSCULPT NEO have we ever had a single device that both gets rid of fat through apoptosis and tightens muscle.
It's true. And you know, it's really like getting more for less. I mean, we're getting more fat reduction, less time for setup. You know, it's really quick. You don't have to use gel pads like you do with other technologies. We have people come in and out of the office very quickly, so our ROI is much higher. So it's really worked out incredibly well.
Well, think about it. It's a single machine that does both of these. Okay, so it's one less machine in the office because we don't have to have a radio frequency.
And we don't need one more machine. Right?
Well, we don't want one more machine.
Right.
That is for sure. I mean, if you think about how this works, this is the biggest bang for your buck for both providers as well as patients.
So with this new technology, HIFEM and radiofrequency, it's really been very revolutionary. It's the first time we've really ever had such a technology.
Well, the problem has been you can't really deliver HIFEM through typical radiofrequency. I mean, it just can't work. And so they developed this patented technology that allows them both to be delivered simultaneously. And that really is revolutionary. And even more so, it's not just the technique itself, but the ability to treat so many different body areas, so whether it's abdomens, thighs, calves, arms, nothing does that.
The great thing about EMSCULPT NEO, David, as you know, is we get more fat reduction, more muscle growth, more profits in less time.
And think about it, you need less staff because you're actually running one machine rather than two. And so it's
true.
Great for patients, it's great for providers, and less staff are required. So
It goes back to more for less.
absolutely
Right.
the case.
Yeah.